We know that young people today are experiencing very different challenges from previous generations. If you just think about what's happening with social media, that's impacting their confidence, body image issues, but also everything that's happening in terms of climate change. In particular, there's a higher incidence of children and young people that are reporting self-harming, that are disclosing suicidal ideation. And it's so important that these young people have access to appropriate, evidence-based therapeutic services, and that's what we are able to provide from the university within our clinics and Talking Zone service.
In our school culture, we've experienced tragedy and we've looked for help. We've needed specialist guidance. We've been that school in trauma. Of all the interventions we've had, the University of South Wales Talking Zone has been the most important to us. Post-COVID, there was funding to get people back on their feet. We had some decent interventions, but the funding's gone and they've all gone. And what we found is the loyal partnership that we had with Talking Zone has always stayed there. Instead of being part of a range of interventions, they are our intervention.
This work that we're doing is really vital because we're actually saving children and young people's lives.